The holidays are here, and if you're trying to make Christmas cards this year, but the technology you need to do it is driving you crazy, you're not alone. Photos uploaded to your computer, maybe that's not working, Canva feels overwhelming, or you don't know which website you're supposed to use, that's where we can come in to help. Between websites like Shutterfly, Minted, Snapfish, or maybe you're just trying to design your own on a platform like Canva, it's easy to get stuck or lost, especially when you're short on time. But here's the good news, you don't have to figure it out on your own. Here at My Computer Works, we can help you choose the right Christmas card website, upload and organize your photos to your PC, fix issues with blurry images or sizing, we can teach you how to do it, walk you through Canva step by step if you want to make your own, and make sure your cards are ready to send digitally. Whether you want something simple, professional, or totally custom, we'll get you there without the frustration. This Christmas, you don't need to be tech savvy to make professional looking Christmas cards for your friends and family. Reach out to us here at My Computer Works. The number is 1-866-340-3721. It's always at the beginning, end of the video, and down in the description. We'd love to help you this holiday season making those Christmas cards. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that like and subscribe down below if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.